Hello and welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today we will be doing some formula. I'll be giving you some formulas, some fast formulas for complex numbers. So write them one by one. The first formula is 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta to the power n is equal to, means sometimes the question is in the form of this thing. Then what can you do? There is a formula to write this one, that is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. I actually found out that in many books this thing has been given, this n to the power n, this sort of question has been given. Not many places I have actually seen this formula being written, so I have written this formula, though in some books I have also seen this formula there. Okay, so this is nothing new if you have already seen this. Okay, the second formula is 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta by I into 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta to the power n. Actually this sort of questions generally come in the state level JEE exams, like that you can say Comet K or something like OJE or WBJE, something like that. In the straight entrances this come, sin n theta. Okay, just write down these formulas. In the next class I will be showing you up some questions based on it. The next formula comes like this: 1 plus sin theta plus I cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta minus I cos theta power n is equal to cos n pi by 2 minus n theta plus I sin n pi by 2 minus n theta. Okay, so these are few formulas actually of this form, and there is also some formula like sigma type formulas. So I haven't seen questions on that one. I had actually seen some formulas of sigma based thing, so actually I haven't seen any question on that one, so I will be not emphasizing on those formulas exactly. These formulas I have actually seen. This formula I have seen question, and the first formula that I gave, this formula also I have seen questions. I think one of them also came in IIT. I don't remember the year, but one of the questions also came in IIT. And state level exam in OJE and all that these have come. Okay, now besides many a times what you can do is that, just apart from these formulas, there is one best method, that is method of substitution. Method of substitution. So this was nothing. This method is nothing but just putting the values. Okay, for example, in IIT JEE means this method is something like a magical formula or a magical method, by which many a times the IIT JEE questions, the IIEEE questions, they can be solved means just like this. Okay, so here is a question you see on your screen. You saw the question? Yes, the question is, if mod z is equal to 1, then omega is equal to z minus 1 by z plus 1, where z is not equal to minus 1, then real part of omega w is. So what you can actually do here is that, because first question we are doing, because mod z is equal to 1, then what? We can assume, let us assume z is equal to I. Okay. Then directly omega will be what? Is equal to z minus 1 by z plus 1. This has been given. So is equal to I minus 1 by I plus 1. This you can solve out to be is equal to minus I. So this implies real part of w is equal to 0. This implies option A is correct. Means just see, without just solving the whole problem, within 30 seconds you can get the answer. Similarly, another problem in IIT 2003 only I saw. The question was yes, z is equal to x minus iy and z cube is equal to p plus iq. Okay, so then easily what you can do, let x is equal to 0, y is equal to, sorry, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. Iota pi I actually removed totally. So what actually it can be done, this implies what, z is equal to 1, okay, and z to the power 1 by 3, sorry, this is 1 by 3, no, z to the power 1 by 3 is equal to I to the power 1 by 3 is equal to what, omega, because I to the power 1 by 3 we know it is omega. So but it has been given, but we know that, sorry, omega is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus, but we know that omega is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2. Therefore what it becomes, minus 1 by, okay, we'll go to the next page, we don't have a page here. Therefore minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2 is equal to p plus iq. This implies p is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and q is equal to root 3 by 2. This implies x by p plus y by q whole divided by p square plus q square is equal to minus 2. So this thing, this was I think 8 marks question or what, I don't remember exactly, but this was actually lengthier question, and within seconds you can just solve this question by just putting, because I have explained you, so it took some time, but then also by explaining you also I did it in less than 1 minute. So in this way you can solve many problems. If you want, I may show you some more problems by method of substitution, because that is the easiest one. Okay, hope you like this video, and don't forget to check out my Facebook page and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.